this video I will be explaining you how to calculate sum of calculate the difference using columns in Notion. So first of all, we need to have a page where we actually want to create our database. So you can say create database, and let's suppose we will have a column called products. We can keep it as like different property, but we are keeping it as text right now. The second thing is we need to say go to edit properties, change the type to number, and then just change the name to available products, and then we will say another column called total products, change the property to number again. I'm just opening this as a new page, so yeah, so that we can see it clearly. And the next thing I want to say is remaining products, and change the type to formula. So here we need to click on this formula, and we need to say what are the remaining products left. So we will say we need a difference between this available products and total products. So from total products we need to subtract the available products. We need to use the formula called subtract, and then we need to select the column total products, and then comma, and then available products, close the bracket, and we are done. So let's suppose we have a product called bag, tea bags, and then laptops. I'm just assuming different numbers, and we say we have got three let's suppose 20 bags, and tea bags we have 5. For laptops we have got 2, and we will say the total products, sorry, this is I just need to shift the column, and we'll say available products is this, and total products is 50 and 10 and 5. So you can say remaining products is the difference between total products and available products. So 50 minus 20 is 30, and 10 minus 5 is 5, and 5 minus 3 is 3. So this is the way you can actually get the difference between two columns and in the third column. So you can use the formula for that. Again, this is a database, so we have got different options here. One option is to get the count all, so it will show the category count. We have got 3 categories. If you want to sum the total product, you can sum it. If you want to sum the available products and the remaining products, so even you can get the difference or calculate different types of things here. So that is how you will use a formula for like difference of numbers, or you can use a formula for addition or different kind of things available here. Another example I want to show you is the difference of overdue dates. So let's suppose we have got a database, and we will say this is the event. Tasks, and task date, we can say edit name, task completion date. We need to change this to date, and then overdue date. So what I'm doing here is we are calculating the overdue dates from today. So let's suppose we have got a cleaning task, cleaning, and we have another task called cooking. So, and the task completion date was I will put that a little bit behind it, called first, and then I'll put another date called 19th. So I want to calculate overdue date. So here what I need to do is I need to change the column type to formula, and I will say there's an option here called date difference, date between, where you can say now. Basically what we need to do is we need to give two dates and then give a text, as we need to get the difference in years, months, hours, days, milliseconds. So what I will do here is I'll give the now, and then I will say the task completion date, and I want to get the difference in days. So okay, so from today the difference of overdue date is 3, and the difference from 19th, like this task is behind 3 days and this task is behind 16 days. So that's how you will use the formulas within different columns. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep subscribing and commenting on this channel. I'll make further videos for you. Thank you.